Yeah,
Sige, Boss Bong! Bigyan ko 2K yan, Gab! May 2K ka sa akin, Gab!
Take any of the guys we suggested.
Okay lang sa lahat ng hinihina ni Kim.
Nakapasok ng kaya dyan eh, boss ko eh! Mas mayaman sa akin yan eh!
Talaga! 2,000 tayo ibibigay ni Arvin! 2,000 tayo ibibigay ni Arvin! Laki na narinig ko yun eh!
Nakapasok!
Si Gabi 2,000!
Maybe one day he'll be watching.
Ang unat gago! Magkano kinila yun? 100k gago!
Mas mayaman sa akin yan, tangina nyo naman!
Will, kainin mo na lang siguro.
Mas mayaman ka, kayat ka, di ba?
Okay, 5 na lang, okay na yun.
5.
Congrats, Gab. Gabi.
Hindi, Boss Gab, ano talaga? Sobrang congrats talaga. Panalo lahat ng Pinay, Boss Gab. I love you.
Oo, tol.
Congrats, Gab.
Deserve talaga, tol.
Tibok ng puso.
Boss Gab, kahit tumitibok yung puso mo, Boss Gab.
Mel, tingin kami, Mel.
Oy, Boss Teams, si Boss eto kay Boss Gab. Ayan na. Sabi ni Boss Bong, magbibigay daw siya dito para kay Boss Gab. Tas, Boss Bong, si Teams din daw.
Hindi, okay na kami yan. Magkikita kami
Guys,
yan.
wala ba kami dyan?
Ay, na-miss namin
Ayan
itong
na,
Discord na totol, ah.
Hello.
Yun na. Gab, Sabs, magkano yan, Gab? Gago, binigyan ako ni Boss Bong another one, 50.
O, 10k daw talaga, Mil, sabi ni Boss.
Hello.
10k. 10k. Sakto na yan, 10k. Yung
10k ka sa akin?
Hello.
Thank you, Boss Bong. Masarap mo talaga.
Congrats, Jao, teams.
Hello.
Oy, congrats mga tol.
Ay, gusto niya puntahan natin si Boss Bong.
O, tayo na wala ka may tindihan.
Dami nagsasalita.
Ayaw niya po. Di puntahan na natin si Boss Bong, ayaw niya.
Bawal kasi ako ng basta-basta to eh.
Hello.
Kay Boss Gab and Teams.
O,
Sige, Boss Bong. Dali yan, Boss Bong. Thank you.
Sub-mil.
Ano yan?
Congrats na nga, boss.
Magkano ba yung 50 subs? Teka. 50
57K
times
kami,
250.
Teams.
Hello.
Teka, ano kayo?
Rico, sino ba yun? Si Joe?
Hindi na lang kami, Mel.
12.5, 6K kayo sa akin.
Hello.
Hello.
Oy, Boss Joe, big congrats, Boss Joe, ha?
Tara.
Ba't may camera kasi ang pili na? Wait lang. Oy, wait lang.
How the hell are you feeling?
Hello.
I was actually just my whole body was shaking like a few minutes ago, but now I'm chill. Yeah.
I mean, I've got to ask. I mean, first of all, we're very happy you joined us. Why have you joined us? But you never want to talk to us. Why is it you finally decided you want to talk to us?
Yeah, I've been just waiting for this moment the entire time. That's why I've been dodging. But now I'm here.
Pugi talaga ni Abin.
He's in the right moment. I mean,
Minsan
talk to me about
mapapa-unfair ka din
that
talaga
game one. Obviously, game one didn't really go your way. Do you want to break down to me what
Ang
went wrong?
pogi ang mundo business eh. May accent pa na ganun.
I think game one we definitely have the draft advantage, I would say, but I guess we were just feeling the nerves, or like we just couldn't read their map movements somehow. So I think we just didn't
Pogi nga ni Joe
get
din,
them. And then we lost.
Were you at all nervous as well? Like you guys got knocked down the lower bracket. You guys got knocked down to in the round of one. Were you nervous at all, or did you know you were just going to steamroll over every team anyway?
Not at all. I wasn't nervous at all because we prepared like for a long time for this tournament, and
Obvious
I was
naman,
very
obvious.
confident personally about our gameplay, game strategy, and just like our Dota knowledge this time. So I was very confident.
Go on.
Accurate. Legit na legit kasi the way gumalo ni Abin eh. Sobrang God mode.
What caused that slow start here for you guys on Blacklist?
Yeah, I don't know. That wasn't us. I just don't know what to say. That wasn't us.
Matanong kaya. Hindi,
I
Boss
have a
Halo, hindi
question
nila
about
yung
the previous
opinion.
series. Now, when you
Hindi
were
nila yung
going in
opinion,
for
Boss Halo.
TNC, was there any added emotion for the guys? Was there any extra motivation in that one?
It just felt like another series for me personally, but I couldn't say the same for my teammates, Gabby, Tims. Like they're all pretty good friends with those guys, so there's it's a little fun.
Fair enough. And I'm curious, what are
Teammates
you
daw.
looking forward to?
Shoutout dito, shoutout.
First,
First ano pa yun ha?
what's
Nauna pa yun, Gabi, ah.
team and what teams do you look forward to playing to as well?
Yan yung sinuntok na yung teammate niya.
First of all, we're all gonna take a break and just do random stuff for a bit, and then once we're getting close to Riyadh, we'll just treat it like every other qualifiers that we played and just prepare the same. And for the teams that we're looking forward to play against, I don't know, probably the European teams, just because we haven't qualified in a while. Yeah, just want to play
The
against
word is
them.
ceiling na talaga. The word is ceiling talaga, guys.
Mawag kasi nagkape ka. Magpapalpitate
Oh,
ka.
I mean, with that, Abid, thank you very much for joining us. Congratulations on your
Congrats,
victory,
congrats.
sir. We can't wait to see you at the Riyadh Masters.
the house and we will
Ganda nung
Thank
accent,
you. See you
me.
guys.
Dinosaur.
Bye-bye.
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 Ganda.
That's the
Congrats.
John, I gotta be perfect
Congrats,
honest,
Biela
right?
ulit.
Trying to
Congrats,
win the
Biela
Masters,
ulit.
man.
Solid, solid.
He's baited us this